Okay, A.
Action.
Action, okay.
Simple one.
Actually.
Addition.
Apple.
What must you do? Now you're under L, yeah. Now under limited resources. Yes.
Stay alive.
Stay alive. Okay. No, but it's A. No, A.
A for apple.
Okay, alive. Yes, young lady. What do you think is A?
Apple. Teacher teach A for apple.
Very clever.
It's alright.
A is
Okay, very simple. It's next called adaptation. You have to adapt yourself to the situation. How you adapt yourself? Wait. How you adapt yourself? Very simple. You look what that mouse deer is eating. You look what that squirrel is eating. You look what the hornbill is eating. You look what the monkey is eating.
Then we're going to eat the
So you got to adapt yourself. Wait. Like what the monkey is doing. If the monkey is eating that particular fruit but leaving the bright color fruit, don't eat the bright color fruit because that means it's toxic. You go for what? And if you see the mouse there eating that particular grass, see what's that mouse there eating? What grass is that? You see the wild pig eating something, the tuber from the ground, see which one is that? Don't take the wrong tuber. So make sure you do exactly. So you adapt yourself to be like the forest occupant and the birds and the animal. You adapt yourself. See what the birds eat, the berries. If the birds eat the particular berries, yes, go for the same berry because you will see. Because the bird see ma. So the bird and the animal is the indicator. So you just watch it, adapt yourself. But the bird and you don't know
The bird sees they don't know also.
never mind. That one berak kapo lah. Okay. And the last one, I.
Improvise lah.
Improvise. Okay. Very good. Very close. Very close.
inspiration.
Inspiration. Okay.
What did you get inspired by? Nature.
I. Something to do with.
Intelligence.
So what I mean? What is that?
Initiative.
Initiative. Okay. What's the word?
Innovation.
Yes. Very close. Very close. What's it?
Innovation.
Give Kathy a big hand.
Give a big hand.
You. What? Okay. Innovation berdiri. Slow. Okay. Innovation means using your creative mind. God gave you this creative mind. Use it. So the first thing you do is see what Shalin has done. Look what Shalin has done. Shalin created a spear. He didn't sharpen one end. No.
It's a walking stick.
Shalin sharpen one end. And then you can poke Jackie's backside. Wow!
Poke don't need sharpen.
He liked it. Okay? So that is to defend yourself against
Nature.
Animal and danger. And also, you can poke fish. When you see fish in the stream, poke. You see Jackie also poke. Okay? Alright, so you must sharpen one end. So it's your spear. This is the first thing that you must use, okay? Alright, then next, Shalin. Next, what you do is, we come over here. Alright, everybody come here. This is under innovation. How do you go and get food? Next, what's the next method to get food?
You hunt.
Okay, you make a bow and arrow. You already got a spear. You also can make blowpipe. But you mustn't forget, you must also start to do animal trap. This part of the innovation, right? Okay. Alright, trap number 1. Okay, you must first learn about the animal highway. When you look at the forest, there's always the animal highway. What's the animal highway? Okay. You will see in the forest there will be 2 trails. One is a woodcutter's trail. The other one is called the animal's trail or animal highway. Animal highway very simple. It leads to a watering hole, or it leads to a salt lick where they have to replace the salt lost, and also will lead them to their house or to their den or to their nest or to their home or whatever. Okay. So for sure you know that when you construct your trap along the animal highway, it ensures success. Cow team side should get 1 or 2. Alright. If you go and set the animal trap anywhere, you can wait 1 year. no animal come. No animal lie. Nobody comes. Okay. So you can starve to death. Okay. So make sure you construct your animal trap along the animal highway because it ensures success. Success. Otherwise, okay. Alright.
Success.
What are English very powerful. Trap number 1 is called the spring trap. Repeat after me.
Spring.
Why is it called the spring trap. Why? Because it uses a sapling. Repeat after me. Sapling. What is a sapling? A young tree where it's very flexible. If you use the old tree, cannot bend. They say cannot teach old dog new tricks, man. Yes. It must be a puppy, very young and supple and very versatile. Okay. All right. Now repeat after me. In actual thing, all this is only 1/8 of a scale. What's the actual proportion? Repeat after me. 8 times wider. Repeat.
8 times wider.
8 times higher.
8 times higher.
8 times longer.
8 times longer.
8 times stronger.
8 times stronger.
One more time. 8 times wider. 8 times higher. 8 times longer. 8 times stronger. All of you make very good parrot. I like your. Yes.
8 times heavier.
No heavy. Okay. So again, this is actually only 1/8 of scale activities along the animal highways. 8 times
8 is bigger.
wider, 8 times higher, 8 times longer, 8 times stronger. Okay. Step number 1 is what the RC will do is they get a sapling, then they tie a string. Okay, there's a trigger here and there's a fall support. Okay, this actually is a platform. It's a false platform. The trigger is just here. So for good measure, they will cover this with dry grass so that the animal won't suspect anything, right? And then when the animal step on it, either the foreleg or the hind leg. Okay, once it step the false platform, it will give way, it releases the trigger. There is actually a noose there, which is attached to the sapling. Alright, so once it releases the trigger, the sapling will go upright to its original position, natural position, and the noose here will just grab either the foreleg or the hind leg, and the animal will be suspended in mid-air. I say all this takes me at least 2 minutes, but it happened only within 1 second. Serious? Alright, so you want your enemy? You want your enemy? Okay, careful. Okay, he will demo. Okay, everybody watch, okay? Camera. People that stand, that's it. Whoa, see? Okay, once the animal is suspended, how do you retrieve the food?
Let it hang to that.
Your spear. Poke the vital organ. Don't poke the backside. Wait, Jackie happy there. More. So make sure poke the vital organ. What is it, Jackie? Jackie, what is it? What? No need to look lah. Jackie,
pretend lah.
Hey, poke the what? Backside. Vital organ.
Vital organ.